Hi everyone, my name is Deorella Foster. Everyone either calls me Dee or Ella. Yes, I know, I just did that. It's so corny. I'm sorry. But my major is in health services management and my minor is in business administration. I only have 5 more classes to go. Woot, woot, woot. And who do I work for and what do I do? I actually just started a job at the Naval Hospital Bremerton as a medical support assistant. So as of right now, it's just an in-processing procedure, training, meets, greets, yada, yada. How many courses am I taking this semester? Actually, I was supposed to take 4, but since I started on this full-time job, I'm not going to overwhelm myself, so I dropped the 4th one. Um, why am I taking this course and what am I looking to get out of this? I mean, besides it's a degree requirement, I actually want to further my knowledge in this. I mean, I just read a few of the required readings. I mean, it's, and especially what's going on right now. So this really would help me, kind of give me a basic outline, guidance, just in case, yeah, I face a real life scenario. What is my aspirations? I'm actually on the new chapter in my life right now. I mean, I've been out of the military for 6 years, so it's just setting up for the future and my kids' future, and just hoping that my children will strive to fulfill their goals and make the right decisions, and also hoping that this new job that I just started on will actually open up many more opportunities and see from there. So looking forward to our weekly discussions, guys, and you guys have a great day.